Hey everybody, David here from What Drives You. Today we're just doing a quick video. I wanted to talk about the Tesla stock split. So today, Tesla split their stock 5-1. So on open today, Tesla stock was $444.61. That is 1/5 of what it was previously before the split, obviously. And throughout today, they did actually increase. Right now, at time of recording, it's almost 4 o'clock, so almost close of the market. It is at $498.15. So it went up 12.57%. So definitely a good day for Tesla and the Tesla stock. There has been a lot of people thinking that the stock split would positively impact Tesla stock, but this is just sort of a public service announcement. I know a lot of people tell me they want to get into Tesla stock, but it's just too high. They were hoping that it would just dip again below 1,000. Certainly it's been on a tear lately, getting over 2,000. So 1,000 was looking very unlikely, but now is your chance. If for whatever reason $1,000 or $2,000 was too much for one share, now you can get one share of Tesla stock for under $500, at least as of this recording. I'm sure it's going to continue to go up over time. There'll probably be another downturn, I would think. Of course, this is not financial advice. I am definitely not a professional as far as stocks are concerned, but I do hold Tesla stock, and I do foresee the company being worth much more in the future than it is now. So now is your chance to buy in if you have enough for one share at $500. So some brokers will allow you to do split shares and partial shares or fractional shares like Robinhood. You can get 1/10 of a share or anything you want. So on Robinhood, you can get a fractional share, say $10 of Tesla stock, which would be a very small percentage. But you can do that on Robinhood. So a lot of brokers are actually giving you those fractional shares. And so the stock split didn't seem like it was going to be a huge deal, but there are still a lot of stock exchanges where you can only get full shares. So this does open up the opportunity for a lot of investors who may not have had enough for a $2,000 share. Now they can get a $500 share. Great news for Tesla stock. And of course, if you look at the Apple stock, it actually has very much the same result from their split. They did a 4-1 split, I believe, and they've been on a tear lately as well, and this gets them up to 129.91 today when they started today at 127.58. That's only a 4% change, but hey, 4% is still good. Whereas Tesla, you're looking at 12.5%. But I do believe that Tesla has plenty of room to go up in the future. But what do you think? Do you think that they'll continue to make a good profit, especially in Q3? I'm excited to see the numbers. Also, Tesla has Battery Day coming up, so they're going to be talking about the future of battery development at Tesla and how they're going to make a lot more batteries, hopefully at a cheaper price and of better quality. So lots of interesting or exciting things coming up at Battery Day, I hope, on September 22nd. And then we have, of course, the Q3 earnings in October is going to be probably spectacular since Tesla beat all odds and made a profit in Q2 when they were shut down for over half the quarter, or shut down for nearly half the quarter, and they still made a profit. That is really bodes well for Q3, where they have only been limited by how many vehicles they could produce, and they have been open in production for the entire quarter. Hopefully they'll continue to be open for the whole quarter, but when they do announce results for Q3, I expect them to be great. and there is the potential future prospect of Tesla getting added to the S&P 500, which again, all these things may or may not help Tesla stock, but certainly Battery Day and the possibility of Tesla being very profitable in Q3 are good for the company as a whole, and a lot of exciting things coming out for Tesla. So what do you think? Does this stock split give you the opportunity to buy some more shares? Did you already have shares and are just excited to have more flexibility in purchasing more shares as they're available? Or does this not impact you at all and it just doesn't matter? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.